Money is like a game, and to master this game, you must know its rules. We will tell you the 12 rules of money that will make you rich if you follow them. Without any further delay, let's begin. Rule number 1. Monitor your finances with professional precision. A comprehensive understanding of one's current financial status is crucial prior to implementing any modifications. Consider allocating a month to meticulously monitor your income and expenses. Assess your expenditure habits critically and pinpoint the areas where modifications may be beneficial. This situation is not characterized by feelings of humiliation. Instead, it pertains to the necessity of possessing the courage and confidence to confront this challenge. Affluent individuals and millionaires consistently monitor their financial assets. One may assume that Warren Buffett's wealth is consistently increasing. However, it is subject to daily fluctuations. I do not suggest that you consistently remain at the computer to document your income and expenses. Instead, each night or once a week, one should sit at the computer to document the estimated earnings and expenditures. Achieving precision in execution would yield optimal results. Rule number 2. Prioritize personal savings consistently. It is essential to recognize that you are your most significant and valuable asset. Regardless of the amount, prioritizing the allocation of funds for savings prior to addressing expenses is essential. Consistent investment in one's future enables the establishment of a safety net and the realization of aspiration. It is essential to prioritize the timely payment of bills at the beginning of each month. However, it is equally crucial to designate a specific amount of money each month for savings and investments. Prioritizing bills and recurring expenditures may result in a lack of funds available for savings at the end of each month. For additional financial strategies and insights aimed at wealth accumulation, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Rule number 3. Maintain a lifestyle that is financially sustainable and refrain from comparing oneself to others. Instead of prioritizing living within your financial means, it is advisable to reconsider the pursuit of the latest trends. Rather than being influenced by the curated images disseminated on social media, it is advisable to establish a budget that aligns with your specific needs and values. Exercising self-control in the face of impulsive purchasing may present challenges, yet it will undoubtedly yield gratitude from your future self. One should refrain from emulating the behaviors of others, as this may result in an uncritical adoption of their choices. Your neighbors may be financially struggling while incurring debt to purchase the latest fashionable car or acquire a new iPhone. Imitating their actions may result in incurring similar debt obligations. Rule number 4. Manage your budget effectively. Budgeting can, at times, be an enjoyable activity. Examine the advantages of utilizing budgeting applications such as Fiscus and recognize the potential that technology provides. These tools facilitate the monitoring of expenditures and support the commitment to achieving financial objectives. While budgeting may seem time-consuming to some individuals, the advent of mobile applications has significantly simplified the process. One may employ traditional methods such as manual documentation and analysis, or utilize applications, including the previously mentioned option and the AppNet. Rule number 5. Minimize debt to the greatest extent feasible. Your current financial condition may be significantly impacted by high-interest debt. To address these significant challenges, it is essential to develop a strategic program. Prioritizing the repayment of debts with high interest rates will significantly enhance one's financial independence. Various methods exist for debt repayment. Among the methods are the debt avalanche method and the debt snowball method. The following methods are commonly employed by individuals to eliminate their debt. Paying off all debts in full will alleviate financial burdens. Rule 6. Allocate resources for future gains. In the realm of investment, it is crucial to recognize the intrinsic value of time. It is crucial to commence saving at the earliest opportunity, even if the contribution is minimal. Wealth accumulation over time can be effectively achieved through the application of compound interest, which serves as a powerful financial tool. Beginning early allows compound interest to accumulate, ultimately leading to wealth accumulation. Investing in stocks, bonds, gold, and real estate can yield significant returns. For inquiries regarding optimal assets and investment strategies, please leave a comment below. We will assist you. Rule number 7. Automate your finances and disregard them. What is the rationale for manually transferring funds when a more efficient method exists? It is advisable to consider establishing automatic payments to your savings and investment accounts. This hands-off approach facilitates the gradual accumulation of wealth over time. Currently, numerous applications exist that facilitate the automation of financial management. Rule number 8. Concentrate on your individual financial journey. A considerable proportion of individuals, due to the influence of social media, become engaged in the process of comparison. It is essential to recognize that each individual's financial journey is distinctly their own. Concentrate on establishing a robust financial foundation incrementally while deriving satisfaction from your achievements. It is advisable to enhance your financial literacy through the daily reading of financial literature and viewing of educational videos, rather than seeking methods to expend your resources. Rule number 9. Avoid being a financial doormat. The capacity to refuse is a valuable skill. It is crucial to practice caution in your spending habits and avoid unnecessary purchases. Persist in your assertiveness while upholding a respectful demeanor and reinforcing your position. Investing in one's financial future is highly advantageous. It is advisable to disregard and decline all unnecessary expenditures that you previously engaged in or that your partner is requesting. This approach may facilitate greater financial savings and potentially lead to wealth accumulation in a relatively brief time frame. I am not suggesting that you should completely avoid restaurants or shopping. Rather, I recommend that you limit these activities to a reasonable extent. It is advisable to visit the restaurant monthly, while shopping could be conducted bi-monthly. This will facilitate recreation and alleviate external pressure. Rule number 10. Obtain life insurance for yourself and your family. Unforeseen events may occur. The acquisition of a suitable life insurance policy can guarantee that your dependents are sufficiently provided for. Your caring gesture will instill a sense of security, allowing them to attain contentment and concentrate on their recovery and progress. Rule number 11. Establish an emergency fund wallet to ensure preparedness for unforeseen circumstances. Implement appropriate measures to prepare for unforeseen circumstances. A family emergency plan should encompass clear communication procedures, a comprehensive list of emergency contacts, and the location of essential documents, as these elements are vital for effective preparedness. Effective preparation enables your family to navigate crises efficiently, thereby reducing stress and ensuring stability. To establish an emergency savings fund, it is advisable to designate a specific amount of money each month to an account that allows for easy withdrawal of funds at any time. Job losses, vehicle damage, and health issues may occur unexpectedly. An emergency fund serves as a protective measure against unforeseen circumstances, minimizing potential difficulties. Rule number 12. Begin preparing for retirement. Initiating retirement preparation at an earlier age allows for greater accumulation of financial resources over time. Explore various retirement savings options, including employer-sponsored plans and individual savings accounts. Maximizing your contributions can lead to an increase in your retirement funds. Please subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to be a part of our family and to know more financial tips in future years.